My name is Marina Whitehouse, and today is 5/24/22, and I will be doing my case study on ectopic pregnancy. What is an ectopic pregnancy? An ectopic pregnancy occurs when a fertilized egg implants and grows outside of the uterus. How can fertilization occur outside of the oviduct? It is possible for fertilization to occur outside of the oviduct if the fertilized egg implants outside of the uterus. This can happen if the fertilized egg does not correctly implant itself in the uterus. Since this is abnormal, it prevents the fetus from being able to develop, which eventually leads to what is known as an ectopic or tubular pregnancy. What kind of hormonal complications would you expect in this situation? Since progesterone is typically elevated when someone is pregnant, OW levels of this is found in the bloodstream could be an early indicator that there is an abnormal pregnancy. Another important level to look for is HCG. If this is found slowly rising, allows sometimes for viable pregnancies, it can often be a sign for an ectopic pregnancy. Why is it an life-threatening condition? For the most part, when an ectopic pregnancy occurs in the fallopian and the fetus begins to grow, the woman becomes at risk for the tube to rupture. A rupture would be dangerous because it would lead to internal bleeding that would rush you into an emergency surgery. If caught soon enough, the woman is more likely to survive, but the baby would only survive for a few weeks at best if this were to happen. How is it treated and what are the possible consequences of that treatment? There is a medication, if taken early enough, that could help resolve this issue called methotrexate, to help dissolve the cells and ultimately stop the growth. However, with this being said, if the person is unaware that they are experiencing this type of pregnancy, if the fetus grows too large, then the woman is susceptible to having her fallopian tubes removed. Removing both tubes, unfortunately, would make it impossible for a woman to conceive, but if you only remove one, it does not have the same effect. And here you can see my works cited.